Today we are going to be learning how to find the perimeter of different shapes. So what does perimeter mean? I wonder if you can remember. Well, the perimeter is the distance around the outside of a shape. Okay, so if you think about a garden, which might have a hedge or a fence around the outside, that is called the perimeter. So we're looking at the length of the outside, and we work that out by adding the length of all the sides together. Let's have a look at some examples. So I've got a rectangle here, and it's 10 centimeters long and 6 centimeters wide. Now, to calculate the perimeter here, I'm just putting my pen on here. So I've got 10 along this side and 6 down here, but this shape has got 4 sides. And so I'm not going to write down every single number, but this one is also going to be 10 centimeters. So I'm sure you can tell me that this one down here is also going to be 6 centimeters because they're the same at each side. Now, when I remember what perimeter is all about, I know that I've got to add up the lengths of all the sides. So I need to add up 10, 10, 6, and 6. And you might be able to do that in your head, but I'm just going to write a note down here to make sure I get it right. 10, 10, 6 and 6, and I'm going to add those all up. Nothing, add 6 is 12, so I put my 1 there, and my 2 there, and then I've got 1, 2, and now the extra 1 there. So this is 32, and don't forget the unit of measurement, which in this case is centimeters. So the perimeter of this shape is 32 centimeters. I've made sure I've got a length measurement on every side and added them up. Let's look at another example. Here's SpongeBob, and I can see he is 8.5 centimeters down here, and he is 4.4 centimeters along the width there. So if it's 4.4 along the width there, then of course this width at the other side is going to be exactly the same. That is going to be 4.4 centimeters as well. And if it's 8.5 down the length there, then of course this length here is also going to be 8.5. Now, so what do I do to find the perimeter? I add the lengths of all the sides together. So I've got two 8.5s. It's a bit tricky to do this with a mouse, but I'm trying to get all my numbers in a line because I know how to add up decimals. I must make sure that the decimal points are all in a line. Okay. That's okay. So now I can add up as normal. 5 add 5 is 10. Add the 4 is 14. Add another 4 is 18. So I put the 1 there and the 8 there. And then my decimal point goes in a line with all the others. And now I add up this column here. So I've got 8, add 8 is 16. Add 4 is 20. Add the other 4 is 24. Don't forget the one that I carried across. So that is 25. And again, I don't forget the unit of measurement. So the perimeter all the way around of SpongeBob here is 25.8 centimeters. Okay, we're doing well. Let's have a look at another shape. Oh, a triangle. Now this has got a special name. It's an equilateral triangle. And that's because all the sides are the same. They are equal. So what is the perimeter? What is the outside edge of this particular shape? Well, I've got to add up all of my sides. They're all 7. So I've got 3 7s. 7 add 7 add 7, or 7 times 3. And that one is 21 centimetres. Oh, that's a wobbly M. But that is how we find the perimeter. So now we've gone through some examples. Have a go at the sheet. If you feel very confident with your sheet, then you can go on to the next sheet up if you want that extra challenge.